Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. Today we're doing the OV Brava cupboard locks, which are really good actually. They're really good and strong. They take a bit of work to install, but they're worth it. They come with packers. They can be used with a PD cylinder, so you can use a 6-pin key with this. You can even set it up to a restricted key if you want. These ones here we're working with today are polished brass, and these are the latching ones, so you simply slam the door and it'll latch closed. So yeah, they're a really good product. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to rekey one for you, just to show you that. Any other locksmiths out there who haven't worked on them, maybe this might help you out a little bit. Right, so start off with, I'll take this out of the pack. They don't come with a PD cylinder, so you have to supply that. I've already stripped down my PD cylinder here, so that's my PD cylinder. Here's my lock. And I'll quickly run through on how they go together. If you want to buy these, you can from our lock shop, drlock.com.au. We put them together for you. If you want to buy them in kit form, you can, but it does take a little bit of know-how to put them together. Alright, so let's do our cylinder first. So I've got my plug. I'll drop some pins in. 6 of these to go in. You can key these like to restricted in line as well. You can key them up to a 5-pin lockwood key if you want. You can get them matched to your order. If you've got a cupboard in your house and you want a decent lock on it, you want to match the same as your house key, you can. Alright, one to go. Alright, so I've got 6 pins in, my LW5 key. I'm just going to check the front and back pin real quick. Yep, got it. Because I'm doing 6-pin, I just got to check that. Yep, got it. These are all brand new housings, but I just like to check it. Alright, transferring, done. Click. There we go. Test. Test. Beautiful. Right, now we're going to put in our retaining pin. So first of all, spring goes in. Then our little retaining pin, that goes in. Beautiful. Now we're going to take this lock apart with a little Phillips head screw on the side here. Just one little screw. Don't take any other screws out of it, not needed. And you just slide the barrel, you slide the cylinder housing straight out of the front, just like so. Just pull it out like that. There we go. What you'll find is, okay, so there's your crown right there. The crown actually lives down the back behind this and behind this plastic bag. Use the crown that it came with. In this little bag here, this little sachi bag, pop that open and take out the little part that's inside there. Okay, that's a little part there. It's like a half moon with a little leg coming off the back. Put that on the back of the PC. Sorry, put that on the back of the PD. Push down the retaining pin on the PD like so. Screw on the retaining cap or the retaining crown. Cylinder crown retainer, or however you want to say it. Tighten that up all the way and then back it off one turn. All the way, back off one turn. Okay, test your key. Good. Move that to the up and down position so it's the same as your top pins, up and down like so. Then put your cylinder in the cylinder housing like so. Then slide it into the lock body like that, and you should see your hole on the side where you can put that screw that you removed last time. Tighten that up nice and tight. Alright, check the latch. That's not springing back, we might have to check that. That's working, but that's not springing. Alright, so we're going to take that out again. So instead of going top to bottom, we're going to move it left to right. We're going to pop that back in there. Now it's springing and the key retains it. So I take my key out, I turn it, it pulls it back. When the door goes to slam, it slams. So I'm going to put this screw back in. So make sure you test that it does actually slam closed with the bolts in the right spot. Nice and tight. Test once more, that's good. This should be able to move. Put the key in, turn it, take the key out, easy to get in, easy to get out, turn, and done. Alright, that's how to rekey the, I think it's OV Brava cupboard lock. They come in different colours and things, but the principle's the same. And yeah, they take 6-pin key. When you buy them from us, we key them all alike for you, so you can key them up to your house, buy multiples, all with the same key. Available from drlock.com.au. Thanks for watching.